Here's an example of a definite integral that requires integration by parts. When I look at this, I know we need integration by parts because I do not know an antiderivative for arctangent x, and there is no u substitution that will work. When we're doing integration by parts, the thing we start with is u times dv, or the integral of u times dv. So I'm going to choose u to be arctangent of x, and I'm going to choose dx to be dv. So u is arctangent of x, dx is dv. dv is dx. Okay, then we find du by taking the derivative. The derivative of arctangent x is 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. We find v by taking the integral of both sides here. Okay. Then the integration by parts formula is that the integral of u dv is uv minus the integral of v du. So our integral overall becomes u times v, which is arctangent of x times x. I'm going to put the x in front, so x times arctangent x, and then minus the integral of v du, which is x, times 1 over 1 plus x squared dx, which we can write as x over 1 plus x squared dx. Okay, now because this is a definite integral, we need the bounds 0 to the square root of 3 on our integral, but also this portion from the front we have to evaluate at the numbers 0 and square root 3. Now we have this integral remaining. This integral, we can just do a u substitution. We're going to let u be 1 plus x squared, and then the x and the dx will take care of our du. Okay, and I'm just going to let you know what we get there. We're going to get 1/2 times the natural log of 1 plus x squared. And then we're going to evaluate that at 0 and square root of 3. Okay, and then we're just going to plug the numbers in. Okay, so we're going to have square root 3 times arctangent of square root 3 minus 0 arctangent of 0 minus 1/2 times the natural log of 1 plus square root 3 squared minus natural log of 1 plus 0. Evaluating gives us square root 3 times arctangent of square root 3 is pi over 3 minus 0, arctangent 0 is 0, minus 1/2 times natural log of 4 minus natural log of 1 is 0. So in other words, pi square root 3 over 3 minus 1/2 natural log 4.